Hi, tired of website redesigns that drag on forever and ever? You know the drill, endless meetings, emails that go nowhere, and sites that is still not right. I'm Dennis, a software engineer who's here to fix that for you. Let's talk about fun, fast way to get websites you love in just days. So picture this. You want a website that wows your customers, but the process feels like a bad movie that never ends. Does that sound familiar? Most businesses slog through months of back and forth. A 2024 study says that 65% of delays come from miscommunication. That's the time you could spend growing your business. So, what's your biggest redesign headache? Is it too many revisions, waiting forever? I've got your back with my design hackathon. So, here is the deal. My design hackathon brings you into the action. In less than a week, maybe 2 to 3 days, we team up your ideas, my tech skills, and build a clickable prototype right before your eyes. You say, make that button pop, and I do it. No waiting, no stress, just fun. So we focus on grabbing visitors fast because you've got 7 seconds to hook them. We make your site say, here is who we are, what we do, and why you love us. A 2024 statistics show that 75% of people judge your business by your websites. So it's important to make them fall in love. Now, don't worry about the tech stuff. That's my job. Check this out. A tiny bit of code like this makes your homepage shine with a bold title, a button that screams, click me. You tell me what you want and I make it real. It's like magic, but better because you are in charge. So, this code creates the first thing visitors see on your website, a heroes section with a big, bold, like, welcome to bakery or something, and a button like order now. It's the part that grabs attention in those critical 7 seconds, making people want to stay and explore. So during the hackathon, you'd say, I want my title feel fun or make button blue, and I tweak this code. The title and the button text parts are like blanks we fill in with your ideas. For example, title, grow your business today, and the button text, get started. This flexibility means that your site feels personal, not cookie cutter. Think of this code like a recipe for your favorite smoothie. The hero component is the blender. It mixes your ingredients, which is the title and the button, into something delicious, a homepage that pops. You pick the flavors and handle the blending. You don't need to understand code to love the results. The hackathon lets you focus on what matters most. That is your vision. While I turn it into a site that works on phones, loads fast, and looks amazing. So your dream shouldn't be a headache. With the design hackathon, you get a site that's fast, gorgeous, and you without the months of hustle. So are you ready to make it happen? Drop me a message and let's create something awesome together. Because you deserve a website that rocks. Have a good day and take care. Bye for now. Thanks.